Hello everyone, I am Nandini, a full stack developer trainee at NxtWave. In this video, I am going to show you the mini project which I did as part of the NxtWave intensive program. The project is called Tasty Kitchens. It is basically a clone of online food delivery app like Swiggy and Zomato. So let's get started. So this is the login page. I developed this application using React.js as my primary focus was to build the front-end part of this application, which allows users to log in, search, filter, select, and add them to the shopping cart. The learning objective of this project was to implement the concepts such as authentication state management, context, page navigation, media queries, and flexbox in the code. By following the clean code guidelines, coming to the authentication concept, I have implemented the basic authentication flow by handling the common errors like invalid username and invalid password. I used cookies to persist the user credentials across the page reloads. Coming to the state management and navigation concepts, I used context for state management for creating the global state to manage the cart state across the routes, and I used React Router for navigation within the application. Additionally, I also implement the protected route to access based on the user roles, as my primary focus was to build the front-end application. I integrated the mock APIs for displaying the data. I used to implement the clean code guidelines by following the consistent folder structure and use the meaningful naming conventions such as prefixing the event handles with on creating components, reusable components. So all throughout the application, and to ensure the response of the design, I used the flexbox and media queries for layouting. I have planned to develop backend by using the Node.js and Express.js. To replace the mock API implementation, this allows me to have more control over the data. Now I will show you how my application works. So this is the login page. The code related to the login page is written in the login component. So here is the login component. All the folders are wrapped in the src and component. So this is the login component. And the code is related to the login page. It is written in the login component. I have given that if the path is /login. So coming to app.js file. So here different routes are there. So the route which is path is login. It is written in the login component. And I have given that if the path is /login, then the login form component should be called in the login form. So here is the login form. It will shows here. And the user looks like this. So when you enter the username and password here, in the login form, if we give the incorrect username and password, then click on the login, it will get an error as invalid username. And if you give the correct credentials, so if you give the correct credential, then click on the login page, then you are redirected to the home page. So this is the home page, and in this page you can see different sections. So this is the navbar, and it contains the logo, home button, cart button, and logout button. And also there is a carousel, which is a slideshow. In this slideshow, we can see different latest offers of the restaurants. And at the bottom section, you can see a popular restaurants. And these all the restaurants are sorted by lowest to highest ratings. You can change this order by clicking on the sort by option, either highest or lowest. And we are seeing next set of restaurants by clicking on these pagination buttons. You can clicking forward or backward pagination buttons. You can get the restaurants. And at the very end of the section, you can see the footer. And in this footer section, you can see the logo and motto of this restaurant app. And also by switching this app through different icons, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, etc. Now, coming to the code behind this home page is, so let's see. So here in this home page, you can import component, cookies, loader from React router DOMs. These are the third-party packages. You can also import link from React router DOM, which is a third-party package. So by using this link component, you can redirect it to a particular page. If you want to home page or cart page, then this link component will help. So in this home component, we are using API URLs and the JWT token by using cookies. So this is all about the code for home page. So this will look like this, and you can get all the restaurants here. So after that, when we click on a particular restaurant, you go to the page which contains the banner of the page. So on this banner, you can see the name of the hotel, name of the restaurant, and its location, ratings, reviews, and the cost for the two people. So these are the food items available in this particular restaurant. So when we want to add these food items in your cart, simply click on add buttons. So if you want to increase or decrease the item, you can click on this plus and minus buttons. So after you are finishing your order, you can go to the cart button. Simply click on cart. So when you enter into the cart page, then see this code. So going to the cart page, you also see the home page. So in this home page, you can see restaurant header, restaurant card. So in this restaurant card, you can see different restaurants are there by using the link components. And now coming to the card component. So here is the code behind this application. So in this cart item, you can see the item quantity and price. So item quantity and price. So in this cart item, you can directly increase or decrease the item here. Then if you increase or decrease the quantity, the price is also changes. So at the bottom of the section, you can see the total order or the total bill for these items. And now we can, after finishing your order, you can place the order. Simply click on place order, then you will got a message like payment successful. Now go to the home page. After you click on the go to home page button, now your cart is empty. So see like this. Again, your wish to order another items from different restaurant. Again, you go to the order now button. Now coming to the code behind. So these are the different components. These are the different folders in this component: cart item, cart list view, cart summary. So going to the cart item, you have cart list view and cart summary. So cart list view. So in this cart list view, so which items you are selected, that is the code written like this. And cart summary. So it is the total order price and the number of items in the cart that will be displayed in this code here. So we are importing link component and coming to the counter. So in this counter, we are imported component from third party package. And in this code, you are increasing or decreasing the quantity by using this plus and minus button icons. So this is all about the code for counter, for increasing or decreasing the quantity of a particular food item. So and this is empty cart view. So in this empty cart view, so so here see you can use image element and the text and the text content and also order now button. So order now button having a link component to go to that page. So food item card. So this is all about the code for food item. And also here by using React icons third party package, we are importing plus and minus icons. And in the photo section, you can see you are imported different icons, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. So this is all about that. And coming to the not found button. So when you entered a bad path, so in the app.js file, so there are different routes, login, home, restaurant, and cart page. And at the last, you are seeing bad path. So this is the bad path. If you enter the wrong URL, then you can go to the not found. So in this not found, you got a message like page not found. You are sorry, the page you requested could not be found. So we are using protected route also. So in this protected route, you are importing redirect and route components from React Router DOM. So if the token is undefined, then you are redirected to login page. So if it is not undefined, then you are go to particular path where you want to go. So this JW token is getting from cookies by importing cookies, JS cookie from cookie. So this is all about the code behind the Tasty Kitchen app. So coming to the front end, so this is all about the desktop view. We can also see different responsive layouts. So by clicking Control Shift I, this is the shortcut method for different layout scene. So this is the desktop view and you can see, so this is the mobile version. You can observe that. So both are different patterns in the responsive manner. Mobile view section, you see the restaurants are in the vertical column and also the navbar is also changes. And in the desktop view, so you are seeing like this, the restaurants are all arranged in the horizontal rows and columns. So we are also design this app for different layouts by using responsiveness. So, and we are seeing the logout button. When you click out this logout button, you are completely logged out from this page. And additionally, I implement a search bar for searching a particular restaurant which you want. You can type here and then you are sorted for this particular restaurant. So that's all about my mini project. You can view my website live link given below in the description. Thanks for watching.